we're gonna be repairing this shingle, trying to do a repair attempt on this shingle. As you see, it's creased. Broke pretty good. So to do that, we gotta unseal the ones above it and we'll swap it out. You got the roof snake, right? We are gonna try to be gentle. Oop. See that right there? Got it. Door already. Oh, come on. All right. You saw that? There's that right there. See the tear there? And then, where's it? Oh, right there. Sorry. Right back to it. Oh, saw that right there. Sorry, y'all. It's just a little brittle. We trying. Alright, now I do gotta lift the shingles up to get the nails out. Obviously gonna try not lift them too high, but I do gotta see, right? Not lifting them high. I'm not lifting them high at all. Do gotta see though. Do gotta see. And they'll pull through. They pull through. The hole up. That one went through. Pretty brittle shingle. Some of these nails are just kind of going through. Yep, that one ripped through like crazy. It's expected, right? Old roofs like this, that one just tore it all the way through. Old roofs like this, they get brittle. It gets pretty brittle around those nail holes. You on the shingle? Keys in. In and out. Get them in and out. They're gonna want to see the close up and then make sure I'm not being rough with these shingles. Damn, I was tore completely. You know? Make sense?
It makes sense.
Make a lot of sense. Still holding it right there. Yeah, they're just, at this point, they're just tearing crazy. Sorry, State Farm, I got to though. Gotta lift it high to get my nail out. Where's that? Right here. See all the holes in it? I want you to think I was trying to lift that shingle high on purpose, State Farm, but it's so brittle and stiff that it's not flexible. It's already like 80 degrees out. So she's not working out. All right, we're trying, but it's just stiff. You see the grains are already coming off. I'm just hammering. So you see the whole shingle, maybe? Or is that zoom out? Turn the house one so y'all look too. Alright. So real quick. Take it. Right, couple places. As you see there. Right. It's kind of, you feel to hear it. It's kind of broken there. Y'all might try to say I lifted it up too high, but that shingle's just stiff. Right, it's 80 degrees. Stiff as can be. It didn't break right. See that right there? Marks. I know you see it. See it right there? Crease. That right there. Here's a failed repair attempt, right? Crease right there. Right there. It did rip. It is failed repair attempt. It's not really repairable. I mean, it's brittle. If y'all just ask for a full replacement, not too bad, right? You kind of see it in my picture. You see the wear, you see the tear on it, right? The older age, but it's not repairable. And you can look and see all the green on us here, right? Yeah, you see it. Fiberglass showing right there. Yeah, so this is it's a failed repair attempt. We'll get some good photos and all, send it in to y'all. Thank y'all.